Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is FANIDA IKHSANTIANI, and this is my paper from midterm test for the academic writing course guided by Mr. Faisal Rizrianto. The title is Using the First Language as a Teaching Aid in EFL Classrooms, Benefit or Dependency. This topic explores how teachers use student first language or L1 in English learning, whether it truly helps learning or causes dependency. In many Indonesian EFL classrooms, teachers often switch between English and the student first language. Some believe L1 helps students understand faster and keeps the class comfortable, while others think it limits exposure to English or the target language or L2. So the main question is using L1 helpful or does it create dependency? My thesis says that L1 can improve comprehension and efficiency when used wisely, but overuse may slow down English acquisition. And from for the pro arguments, first we have L1 helps comprehension. According to Fawziati, Hidayat, and Society in 2020, teachers often use code switching or moving between English and L1 to explain difficult grammar or vocabulary and manage interaction. From Hasrina, Aziz, and Fitriani in 2020, found that students learn better when teachers compare English and Indonesian structures. So, L1 provides clear, comprehensive input for beginners. Second, L1 increases efficiency and support class management. From Sundari and Ferbianti in 2021, observed teachers using L1 to give instructions and mind-sign discipline. And then Mularse et al. In 2022 said explaining everything only in English wastes time and confuses students, while short L1 explanation make learning smoother. And the third pro argument, L1 offers effective and social support. From Nadia in 2023 found that banning L1 caused stress, while limited use built confidence. We have from Tiwari in 2024 also said that using bahasa wisely can clarify grammar and create a relaxed classroom mood. Therefore, L1 can make learning more inclusive and less intimidating. However, there are risks. The first risk is dependency. From Mularse et al. In 2022, warned that students may rely too much on translation. From Makorbani in 2012, said heavy L1 use lowers English proficiency because practice decreases. And the second, we have reduced exposure. Fawziati et al. In 2020 noted that excessive L1 use limits students' contact with English. And from Debrelli and Oyman found that while students enjoyed an L1 explanation, they admit it reduced their English practice time. And for the last contra argument is professionalism and balance. From Hasrina et al. In 2020, said teachers must manage proportion to match L1 cuts English time, and from Tiwari in 2024, reminded that L1 is helpful only when it's used judiciously, wisely, and in moderation. So, in conclusion, L1 has a strong cognitive, practical, and emotional benefits, but it can also create dependency and reduce English exposure if overused. Teachers should use L1 moderately and purposefully as a bridge, not a crutch, to help students move toward full English mastery. That's all for my presentation on using the first language as a teaching aid in EFL classrooms. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.